mouse that folds in half and fits in your pants pocket? Today we're reviewing the new Logitech Mobi Fold, the brand's first foldable mouse designed especially for creators and professionals who are always on the go. The first thing you'll notice, obviously, is its foldable and ultra-compact design. When you're done using it, it shrinks to almost half its size, making it incredibly easy to carry around. You can literally pop it into your pants pocket or any corner of your backpack without it taking up any space. It's perfect for those who often work away from home. But the best part is, despite being foldable, the hinge is superbly designed to be durable and long-lasting. Plus, the mouse is made with designs and materials that are drop-resistant, so we don't have to worry about its everyday durability. I know that many people, when you're out, usually rely on the laptop's trackpad because you don't have a mouse with you. But this Mobi Fold offers you way more comfort. In fact, official data shows that this mouse can reduce muscle tension by up to 22% compared to using a laptop trackpad, which is something your hand and wrist will really appreciate after a few hours of use. Plus, it's equipped with a highly precise adaptive scroll and fully customizable controls that we can set up completely to our liking through the Logi Options Plus software, allowing you to assign shortcuts to speed up your usual tasks. While it's true that during the first few days of use it might feel a bit strange and uncomfortable due to its shape, once you get used to it, the truth is it's quite comfortable and can be used without any issues on a daily basis. In the connectivity section, it supports multi-device Bluetooth connection, letting you quickly and easily pair and switch between up to 3 different devices with just the touch of a button, which is awesome if you work simultaneously with a laptop, tablet, or mobile phone. It's fully compatible. You can use it on Windows, Mac, Chrome, Android, iOS, or Linux seamlessly. And on top of that, we can completely forget about batteries, thanks to its long-lasting battery that gives us up to 30 days of use on a single charge, also featuring fast charging through its USB-C port. Finally, the Mobi Fold hits the market at €80, which is pretty competitive considering it's the brand and Logitech's first foldable mouse. So if you want to keep maximum productivity on the go without straining your wrist and carrying a foldable mouse that fits in your pocket, this is a great and highly recommended option.